Meet Stephanie Kent and Logan Smalley, the creators of the Call Me Ishmael project. They're the authors of this phone book and the inventors of the Call Me Ishmael phone. Today, Steph is going to demonstrate how the phone allows readers to have real conversations with fictional literary characters. To learn more about this project after the demonstration, simply visit callmeishmael.com.
Okay, so you might already know that this phone contains over 1,000 pre-recorded book recommendations from readers around the world. But now it also allows you to have real conversations with fictional literary characters. I could call Frankenstein's monster or Don Quixote. I think I'll try Elizabeth Bennet from Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. I just dial her extension.
Hello. Thank you for calling. Elizabeth Bennet here. It is a truth universally acknowledged that you are in want of a new book. May I recommend one for you, or would you like to palaver about something else?
Hi, Elizabeth. I hope you're doing well today. I'd love to know what you think about famous opening lines in literature.
Oh, absolutely. First sentences are like the opening gambit in a game of chess, don't you think? They set the tone, draw you in, and make you want to read more. Do you have a particular first sentence that has caught your fancy? Or shall I share some of my favourite literary openers with you?
The latter, please.
Ah, splendid. Prepare yourself for a veritable feast of first lines. Let us begin with one that never fails to tickle my funny bone. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. Can you guess which novel that is from?
Yes, Pride and Prejudice. Of course you'd choose that one.
Oh my goodness, you have discovered my secret. I am an open book, quite literally. But fear not, my friend, for I shall not let my fondness for Pride and Prejudice cloud our conversation. Instead, let me regale you with another first line that is sure to pique your interest. How about this one? It was a bright, cold day in April, and the clocks were striking 13. Quite the intriguing start, isn't it? This sentence comes from a dystopian masterpiece that will surely make you question the very fabric of society. Can you guess which novel it is?
Is it 1984 by George Orwell?
Bravo, my friend!
Thanks. Before I go, can you tell me the first sentence of a book that you recommend that I read?
Oh, I'm positively delighted that you've asked. Allow me to offer you a first sentence that will surely leave you in stitches. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a zombie in possession of brains must be in want of more brains. Yes, my friend, brace yourself for the hilariously twisted world of Pride and Prejudice and Zombies by Seth Graham Smith. Prepare to witness the collision of classic literature and the undead. It's a New York Times bestseller, and I highly recommend it. Enjoy, and may your laughter echo throughout the halls of Pemberley.
Oh, speaking of Pemberley, how's Mr. Darcy doing?
Oh, Mr. Darcy, that irascible man has actually turned out to be quite the surprise. You see, despite his initial aloofness and pride, he has proven himself to be a changed man. He has become more humble, kind, and even a bit endearing.
Well, that's wonderful to hear. Thank you for the great conversation and book recommendations, and I'll speak to you again soon, Elizabeth.
Thank you for calling. May you find joy in the pages of your next literary adventure, and remember to always look beyond first impressions. Until we meet again, my friend.
The phone conversation you just saw was made possible by the incredible technology of InWorld.ai. If you'd like to learn more or would like to host or sponsor a Call Me Ishmael Phone in your local literary venue, get in touch with Steph and Logan at callmeishmael.com.